Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change 401k contribution in Gusto. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on people. Next from your employees list, click on the employee with the contribution you would like to change, then click on benefits. So from here, you can see the benefits added to this specific employee, and to change it, just click on the edit icon or button, and a new window will then pop up. Here you have an option to manually change the benefit of this employee by changing details one by one. From here, you also have an option to just remove this benefit for this specific employee. Then once all the changes is done, head over and click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!